What's your name?
My name is Aarohi.
What's your name? How do you say your name?
My name is Aarohi.
Your first name is Aarohi? Aarohi?
Yeah,
Yes.
Aarohi.
And you're from India?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
from India.
fantastic. It's nice to meet you. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you, Aarohi?
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, wow. Okay. And did you go to school today?
No, school is closed. Now we are doing online class at home.
What's that like? Do you
Now
like
I
online class?
online class and go to school.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
You do? You like working at home?
yeah. I like
Okay.
working at home.
Do you have any brothers or sisters, Aarohi?
I have sister 6 months.
Oh, you have a baby sister.
Yeah,
What's her name?
her name is Yashica. She is girl.
Yashica. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's great. Does she cry a lot?
Now little bit. Then my sister will wake up and
Okay.
then cries little bit.
Oh, okay. Are you a good big sister?
Yeah, I read some book and watch cartoon and some practice English.
That's so good. That's going to help her a lot. It's so nice to have a good big sister who can show you what to do. Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What's your favorite animal?
Lion.
That's a good favorite animal to have. All right, Aarohi. Listen, it's great to meet you. Are you ready to start?
Yeah, I'm ready
Do you,
to start.
okay. Do you have any questions before we start?
No,
Any questions? No, you're okay. All righty. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So can you read the title for me, please? What does this say?
there is
Technology. Technology.
technology.
That's right. Well done. Okay. So today we're talking about technology that people use every day. Okay. Do you have a tablet, Aarohi?
I have one tablet.
What about a phone? Do you have a phone?
My mom has phone.
Your mum has a phone. Okay. And what are you using now? Are you using a computer?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
using computer.
All right, so you're already using technology. That's good. All right, so you use a computer for Cambly. What else do you use a computer for?
Computer for doing online class. Some doing Cambly class. You and me.
Yeah, so you use it for Cambly class. And do you use the computer for online school?
Yeah,
You do? Okay, what do you do on the internet?
something writing with video chat.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. So you write messages?
Yeah, messaging.
Okay, great. Okay. Tell me what you can see in the pictures, okay? What's he doing?
The boy. Oh, he's playing sunglasses player.
Do you know what this is called? Where you have the big glasses and you can see the video game?
No, I don't know that.
So this is called, and it's like 3 words actually. It's called virtual reality. And this is the
Virtual
headset.
cat.
Yeah. So it's a virtual reality headset. Have you ever tried to use one of those?
Yeah, but I don't have it.
You don't have one, but you've played with one before?
Yeah, before I was small.
Oh, was it fun?
Yeah,
I've never
my
used
daddy's
one.
by me, and I am do like this.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun. I
Yeah,
want to have a try one day.
I doesn't think so. Life is so much easier with technology. I can solve online, use my smartphone to talk my friends and send funny pictures. Technology is great.
Aha. Well done. Nice reading. So what does Michael use technology for? What does he do with technology?
Technology.
Look at what you've just read, Aarohi. What does Michael do?
The Michael doing technology for showing her friends when the teacher is coming with her mm, online classes.
Okay. So yeah, Michael talks to his friends.
Yeah, Michael talks to his friends, and
And
when does the teacher come and writing something
but
on the
what does it say? What does it say here? What do the words
talk to
say?
my friends and friends. Talk to my friends.
Huh? And there's one more thing that he does.
Friends.
So he uses the internet to talk to his friends and he also does this. What does this say?
I can so I use my smartphone to
Okay.
talk my friends.
Okay, so he uses the internet to shop online and he uses the internet to talk to his friends.
Internet to talk his friends.
Exactly.
I see
Okay.
3 stars.
Yeah,
I thought about you don't give stars.
you have time.
Yeah,
So,
it's 3/20/2021.
you have time, don't worry. Let's read what these people say, okay?
Oh, I have a beautiful smartphone that I use every day.
Good.
I have a large tablet that I don't use often.
Hmm.
I have a perfect camera that I use on the weekend.
Nice. So, can you see these words here in bold?
Beautiful. Large.
What does large mean?
Large means bigger.
Big, yeah, good. And this one?
Perfect means good camera.
Yeah, the best. Perfect. Good. Do you remember the words that are missing?
Yeah, I have beautiful smartphone I use every day.
Well done.
I have large tablet that I don't use often. I
Good.
have the perfect camera that I use on the weekend.
Fantastic, Arohi. Well done. Okay, what have we got? 7 minutes. Okay, now we're going to talk about opposites, okay?
Opposite.
Yeah, so words that have a completely different meaning to each other. So, for example, here, she has a new phone. She
New.
she
New.
doesn't have an old phone. She has a
It has
new phone.
new.
Mhm.
New. New opposite old.
That's right. Let's try this one. What does this say?
Big opposite small.
Very good. So let's read the sentences.
She has a big printer.
She doesn't have.
She doesn't have a printer.
What's the opposite of big?
She doesn't have old printer.
You just told me. What's the opposite of big?
Small. She doesn't
Small.
have a small printer.
Well done. Okay.
Small printer is small printer. We can do
Small printer.
small pens and small printer and something
Yeah.
office work and see small. What the writing?
Yeah, exactly. You wouldn't be able to read it. It would be too small, right? Maybe
Yeah.
your Barbies could read it.
Barbies can't read it. Barbie
No?
is a doll. Barbie is not moving things. Barbie
Oh,
is moving things always.
okay. So they can't read it either. Maybe a mouse.
Mouse can't read. Mouse is an
Okay. Try this
mouse
one.
can read.
What's this word say?
Old.
And what's the opposite?
He has an old keyboard.
So he doesn't have a.
She doesn't have a new keyboard.
Well done. Perfect. All right. What have we got time for? 4 minutes. Okay, which of these devices, that's technology, which of these devices is most important to you?
Computer and tablet.
What if you can only have one? What would you choose?
One.
Mm, just one. The tablet? Aha. Can you have online school on your tablet?
No.
Ah. What do you do on your tablet?
Computer.
Oh, the computer is most important to
Can
you.
you
Okay.
listen my sister voice?
Say that again.
Can you hear my sister voice?
A little bit, yeah. But it's okay. It's what babies do.
Babies always playing with us and scratch me a little bit.
It happens. You were a baby once as well, and so was I.
Yeah, I was 5 years old and my sister is having its finished and it's got it's scratch on my nose.
Oh, oh no. Nightmare. Oh, well. She doesn't know. She doesn't know.
Yeah, she's baby.
She's a baby. She doesn't know these things. All right, good. So you've chosen the computer as the most important thing.
The most important thing.
Okay, great. I think you've done really well. So today you've described the technology you use throughout the day, and you've used this vocabulary: computer, smartphone, tablet, keyboard, printer, and camera. Aarohi, do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I think so.
Any questions? You can ask me questions if you want.
Yeah. On the box.
Say that again.
On the box.
On the box. I don't understand.
Right here, this white color and right there.
Oh, you want to write?
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to tell. The Cambly class, I like the Cambly class.
Good. Good. I'm glad that you do. I'm glad you do. All
And
right,
I like the
Aarohi.
question too.
Say that again.
I like the question too.
You like the
Questions.
coffins.
Oceans.
Oh, oceans? Oceans?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you think you can solve this riddle? How do oceans say hello to each other?
How do oceans says hello to each other?
What do you think they do?
Oceans can't tell anything.
It's just a joke, Rory. It's okay. They wave. They wave.
They wave.
Uh-huh. All right, Arohi, listen, I'm going to have to go, okay? But it was really nice to meet you. How many stars do you have?
How many? What you says?
How many stars do you have?
5.
There we go. Perfect job. Well done, Arohi. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.